Hello everyone, welcome to my PowerApps YouTube channel. So on this video, we are going to address one of the very common issue in PowerApps Gallery Control where we don't have option for the horizontal scrolling. So let's take an example of this use case where I have this gallery control is available, and in my gallery control I have this client name, age, email, address, and this delete option is there. But now just imagine I want to add couple of more columns, right, in on this gallery control. But here you can clearly see I don't have any real estate available here. Okay, so in that sense, if there would be a a kind of horizontal scrolling where I can just drag my gallery control and I could see a couple of other columns which I wanted to edit this column, so that option is not there. Just like this scroll bar, this scroll bar is automatically gets enabled in the gallery control, where so something like this horizontal scrolling is not available in gallery control. So I'll just quickly show you. So this is the show scroll bar option is there. So just a toggle button is there to enable and disable the scroll bar, but there is no control like a horizontal scroll bar in the gallery control. So how can we address this issue? So I'll just quickly show you how we can tackle this kind of scenarios. So first of all, we can take a help of containers to enable the horizontal scrolling. So first of all, I just include one container. First of all, we need to take this horizontal container. Let me add this one on my screen, and let me give some meaningful name. So parent container. Okay. Now I've added this container. I'll just a little bit drag my container. Okay, why it is not picking. Huh. All right. This is my container. I'm added here. Now, inside this parent container, I'm going to add one more container as which is act as a child. Oops. Okay, this is my container as a child container. This is container two, and inside this container, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the gallery control. So I already have gallery control available. So let me quickly, just a time being, sake of time, I'll copy this gallery control and going to paste on inside this my child container. Okay, so let me click on here. Come on, yeah, it's taking some time. Yeah, now I'll just simply paste it. All right, okay, now my gallery control gets added, pasted in the container inside the container 2, as you can see. Yeah, yeah, a little bit work I need to do, just minor editing. Let me quickly do that. Okay, email, address, and there's a delete option. Okay, now now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add one couple of more columns in my gallery control. So as you can clearly see, I'm not able to, even though I can able to move my new control and add is this control. So what I can do quickly, I quickly go to this child container, and from child container I have this option minimum width. So what minimum width that I wanted to add? So currently this is my, yeah, so my gallery control width is 1300 and 500. So let me quickly, yeah, minimum width I need to add like 500, 1500. Okay, and copied it. Okay, now I can see container added, and same width I wanted to give in my gallery control width. Okay, 1500. And now I can able to move my controls. Yeah, as I have increase the width of my child container, so that is why I'm because of that I can able to move my controls, because now I have a little bit more real estate available. Okay, this is my new column created by. Okay, so that column I've added, and again this is the control, date control I'm going to add here again. So let me move date till here. Okay, now I can see this is the control that I'm added here. Okay, now let me see how it works. So as you can clearly see, my new control gets added over here, but I'm not able to see it clearly. So to see clearly, we have to do some minor changes. Now, what we did so far, we have created a child container and increased the minimum width. This is the minimum width that we have increased into 1500 pixel, and then maximum width should be a zero. It always be zero. Okay, that is done. And same thing we did on the gallery control width. Okay, now we go into this parent container, and inside the parent container, we have this option available, horizontal overflow. I just simply need to click on this scroll. Okay. Now, once you click on the scroll, you can see this horizontal scrolling gets automatically added. And now I can simply move down here. Okay. So now you can see the whatever the extra column that I want to represent, show inside this gallery control, I can easily add that. Right? Just I'll show you. This is how we can add it, and you can simply scroll down. So the gallery control don't have that horizontal scrolling, but with the help of this parent container, horizontal container, and inside the horizontal container, this container, we can set up the horizontal width, and we can add as much as more columns and controls inside the gallery control. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and please press the like button over here. Thank you, everyone. Thanks.